Hello everyone, it's me ASM Arif welcoming you to my new Photoshop tutorials, and today I'll show you this type of photo editing. So let's start the tutorial. If you are new in my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon for the new notifications. Press Ctrl or Command J for the new copy of this layer, and after that go to the filter and camera filter. From here I'll make preset and adjust the color and other stuffs. At first I'll go to the HSL panel. This one is hue, saturation and luminance panel. Hue, which color you want to use in your photographs, and saturation, percentage of color, luminance, intensity of the color. Here increase the orange color a little bit, okay, fine, the saturation and the red as well and the yellow as well, and the green for the here the green colors, and make it like this. Okay, that's fine. And the luminance of the orange color, if I make it increase, and the red color if I make it decrease, and hue, which color I want to pick up from here, it defines with that, and the orange color will be like that. And after that go to the calibration portion, and from here choose the calibration from like this. The blue primary will be like this, and the green primary, the red color will be like this. Okay, that's fine. And after that, most important thing is the split toning, and choose the color from here. This one is good for that, and this portion, that's good. And the sharpening and the luminance of noise reduction, that's fine. And from the effects portion, add some vignetting like this. Contrast and detail will be like this. Shadow, that's good. Blacks like that. Texture and clarity will be like that. So let's see before and after. Huge change of the photo. And after that I'm saving this preset for you guys and giving the name City Girl. Okay, and I'll provide you that XMP file to you for your purpose, or you can use that XMP file in your Photoshop and Lightroom as well. Okay, go to the filter again and Nick Collection, Color Effects Pro 4. So Color Effects Pro 4 is another plugins of the Photoshop. You can use that plugins for the filtering in your photo. So here the cross processing I am using over here, lots of method over here, which one is convenient for you. C04 is for this perfect, and hit the OK button. Let's see, the before one was like that, and after one you are getting like this. So if you need to change the opacity and other stuff, please do like that. Okay, fine, and you can getting this type of result. So hope that you learn a lot from this video. If you did, please thumbs up and share with your friend, and if you have any kind of question, query, request, please do comment on my video comment section. And if you want to get the download link of the preset and the resource file, please check out my video description. Until the next video, I am ASM Arif signing out today. Bye bye.